Hello students, this is a quick tutorial on how to complete the Government and Citizenship assignment. To begin, you're going to read the directions. Go through each step and answer each question. Please read the directions carefully. The first part of the assignment is to watch the 15-minute video on Washington, D.C. and record 10 things that you have learned. The second part of the assignment is to log into a website called BrainPop. To log into the website, you're going to click on the BrainPop link, open it up into a new browser. In the top right-hand corner, click Login. Enter the username, which is Waukesha. Enter the password, which is media, and then click Login. Once logged in, you're going to head back to the worksheet and look to see which topic you're going to learn about first, which it states the U.S. Constitution. From here, you can either copy and then paste the topic into the search box, or you can type it in. So at the top here, you can see Search BrainPop. Either again, copy and paste, or type in the topic, click Enter, and you can see here there are 21 results that appear. The topic that you are looking for is the U.S. Constitution, which is indicated on the worksheet. Once you click on that, there's going to be a video that pops up. Watch that 3-minute and 45-second video. After you watch the video, you're going to click Quiz on the right-hand side. To take the quiz, you're going to click Graded. Answer the various questions. And then at the end, you are going to take a screenshot of your results. Now keep in mind, you must score at least an 80% or higher in order to successfully pass the quiz. If you do not score that 80% or higher, then you will need to retake the quiz a second time. Here's an example of what the screenshot should look like. So you can see here that you can see the topic, U.S. Constitution, and the score that this particular student received was an 8 out of 10. Once you are done watching the video, taking the quiz, you can move on to the next topic, which is the Bill of Rights. Next topic is democracy. Next topic is voting, and so on and so forth. Once you are done with that part of the assignment, you're going to learn about the U.S. Constitution and the Bill of Rights a little bit more in depth. So you just click on the links that you see highlighted there in blue and answer the questions. The next part, again, clicking on the highlighted blue link, answering the questions, and so on and so forth. Once you are done clicking on the needed links and answering all of the questions throughout the rest of the assignment, please make sure that you proofread your work just to make sure that you've answered each and every question, and then you can upload your assignment to Blackboard. If you have any further questions or concerns, don't be afraid to reach out. Thank you everyone for watching today's tutorial on the Government and Citizenship assignment. Bye now.